out here having a good time, enjoying the beautiful weather out at Orient Point. Started out at 6 o'clock this morning. We were going for a striped bass and then porgies, and just having a blast, a real kick. Here's some of the rods we're using today. Nice boat, Captain Rich inside there. And here's the other side. 6 of us today, so it's perfect. Beautiful.
I couldn't go.
Porgies here. Eel, in case we have a problem finding other stuff.
Switch to the ski. Just healing somebody.
More porgies. Oops, I'm sorry. This is the leftover from the bluefish that we had this morning. So, a lot of fun. It's a kick. Not like a day in the water.